The temperature for 5 different places are given below. Chennai 35 degrees above zero, so we're going to call it plus 35. Delhi 6 degrees below zero, minus 6 degrees. Jaipur 15 above zero, plus 15. Patna is 28 above zero, plus 28. Leh is 12 below zero, minus 12 degrees. What is the difference between the temperatures of the hottest and coolest places? Hottest likely to be Chennai. Generally Chennai is hot. 35 degrees above zero. The other numbers above zero are Jaipur and Patna. They are much lower. 35 degrees above zero. This is the hottest. Coolest place. Delhi and Leh are cool. Delhi is at minus 6. Leh is at minus 12. 6 degrees below Delhi. The coolest. The difference between the temperatures of the hottest and coolest places in degrees centigrade, obviously, that's where the answer is, should be 35 minus minus 12. Anytime you're asked for a difference, it's going to be larger number minus smaller number. From 35 to minus 12. 35 minus minus 12 is 35 plus 12, which is 47.